Hello, my dear friends. Are your relationship energizing you and helping you spread your wings and grow in life? Or are they holding you back? They're suffocating you and they're really sucking away your energy. Sometimes we find ourselves in a situation where the people who are supposed to actually help us to live our best lives, in fact, they become the biggest roadblocks in our journey. And the fact is that in all relationships with ourselves, our loved ones, our colleagues, they are deeply affecting our health, our growth, and every area of our life. And I'll tell you what, it may be very difficult reality for most of us to accept, but it is my own energy frequency, my dear, that attracts all the challenges in our life, be it in a relationship or any other area also. And in this video, I want to share with you a very powerful technique which is called the Ho'oponopono prayer, that is going to help you to transform your energy frequency and transform all your relationships. So this prayer helps us to clear all the negative shared memories and the beliefs around our relationships, just not from this lifetime, my dear, but even from our past lifetimes. And as we clean them, we create space for more love, much more love and understanding to flow into our lives. So now, what do I want you to do? I want you to think first about any one current relationship which is really bothering you the most. What is that negative feeling or that emotion or the thoughts that you feel right now because of that troublesome relationship that you're going through? I want you to be very clear, be very sure. Sometimes it can be guilt, sometimes resentment, sometimes hatred, anger, frustration, sadness, grief, anything that you're experiencing right now. I want you to first observe them, notice them, and then now we are going to be turning them to the divine. Alright, so let's begin our relationship healing prayer together. So I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and as you relax your energies, just let go of anything that is holding you back. We are here right now to heal your relationship. So set this intention that I am here to heal all myself and my relationships. One more time, take a deep breath. Relax. And now, with a lot of energy, with a lot of gratitude in our heart, repeat after me this Ho'oponopono prayer. Dear Divine, I love you and I trust you completely. I now know that you, being my creator, have always done the best for me. I love you. I really love you for giving me the opportunity to heal my own self, to heal all my relationships, and to restore harmony back, inside and outside. I really love you, universe, for blessing me always. Today, I want to declare my unconditional love for you. I now believe that I am always taken care of. Yes, I am always taken care of. I love you, universe, my God, my mother, my father, my everything. I love you for my life. I love you for my healing breath. I love you for your energy that is flowing in every cell of my being. I am sorry. I am really sorry for the times when I have not been aware of my own needs, of my own heart. I am sorry for the times that I have not been aware of my awesome relationships. I'm sorry for not taking care of myself and all my loved ones. Sometimes I have ignored my own needs and the needs of all those around me whom I love the most. I'm sorry for being selfish sometimes, for holding on to so much of resentments, so much of anger, so much of fear. I'm sorry for not being aware of whatever is standing in the way and blocking the energies of love and harmony in my relationships. Please forgive me, universe. Please forgive me for all the times that I have blamed, I have complained, I have made excuses, I have ignored when my relationships were in distress. Please forgive me for not taking responsibility for my part in any conflicts that I have had. Please forgive me for holding on to the stress, to the tensions, or any trauma that is affecting me, my life, and all my relationships. I love you. Take your own name and say, I love you. I love you for being strong, for being resilient. I love you for your healing energy and your capacity for love. I love you. Name all the people whom you want to heal your relationship with. I love you for teaching me about life, about love. I love you, dear heart, for always being open to love and connection. Thank you. Thank you for healing me. Thank you for cleansing me. I'm really sorry for any hurt or any pain that I may caused in my relationships, both personally and professionally. I'm sorry for the times where I've been impatient or unkind. Please forgive me for not listening to others or understanding their needs. Please forgive me for holding on to so much of resentments and anger inside of me. Please forgive me for always complaining and thinking that it is because of the other person that my life is in a mess. I now know and I understand that I am an energy being and I have attracted all that is happening into my life. So, dear Divine, thank you. Thank you so much for clearing away all of these negative emotions. Thank you for healing my heart and restoring my relationships. Thank you for making me fall in love with my own self. Thank you for clearing away all the unwanted energies that is blocking me from experiencing true love and joy. Thank you, universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving me the strength to heal and grow. Thank you for guiding me to all my better relationships. Thank you for clearing away any energies from my ancestors which is still carrying on inside of me which is leading me to create negative memories for my own self. I trust you, universe. From now on, I trust you completely, and I know that I'm always looked after by you. From now on, I choose to feel relaxed and at peace, knowing that everything is happening for my highest good. I am an energy queen or a king, and I understand that it is only my feelings that are affecting everything in my life. So today, I release all of this to you. Thank you, universe, for clearing it all. Thank you, thank you, thank you for deleting all my shared memories with all those people, all those situations which is not serving me any longer in my life. Today, I take full responsibility of my life, my relationships, my needs, my desires. Thank you, universe. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. One more time. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. And now, one more time. Imagine your favorite God, the divine, the universe, whichever form you want to give that universe, smiling at you. As you're smiling back at this universe, feel it. And imagine there's a magic wand in the hands of this universe. And this universe is coming to you and clearing away all the negative emotions. So imagine this wand is like swishing and swashing and just wiping away all the energies that is no longer serving you, all your past memories that you don't need at all. It's all getting cleansed. And you are pure love. You are the divine love, the unconditional love. Feel it. Feel your body vibrate in this energy of unconditional love. And one more time, with the deepest gratitude in your heart, I love you, universe, and thank you. Thank you for always being with me. Thank you. You can gently open your eyes now. And once again, thank you, my friends, for joining me today in this relationship healing prayer. Remember that you can come back to this prayer anytime to heal your relationships and restore your harmony once again.